Hi, what's up, Chainlink holder? This time the Chainlink price in last 24 hours, my weather is very badly falls down. So I make this brand video for all my viewers, my subscriber, to understand better to what's going on this time in Chainlink and what's the new my weather and what's the upcoming time of when they will move upward or they will falls down. So let's get start this brand video. But if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my weather in last 1 hour, as you can see here, plus 0.42% profit, but in last one day, as you can see here, minus 6.19% lost. But in last 7 days, again plus 2.39% profit. So that's mean my brothers, to this time Chainlink price will be increasing for some time, but again they will falls down. So that's my friend, as you can see here, last one day chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely sure my brothers to upcoming time there is a chance so they will moving upward. Tell me or ask me how and where my brother can they will moving upward. Absolutely my friends, you can see here after a fail every coin will wake up. So therefore I know to upcoming time they will also wake up and moving upward now. So kindly holder, if you are my friend, absolutely you are already planning my friends to invest more. So I think these days is going to be very good now. Please invest in those days. I hope my brother in upcoming time you will be my friends absolutely buy more and more, and you will be not you will cannot stop my friend buying. So kindly, and those days absolutely the price is very cheap. So if you have any plan to invest more, buy more, so I think it's a chance to you will buy now. So channeling holder, my prediction is going to be positive now, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold it, don't sell it. And what's your opinion, share it in a comment box, and kindly my brother, please press the bell icon for videos notification.